Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Marjeline Bahade, 24 years old. I'm high school graduate and I'm from Maligaya, Kawayan City, Isabela. I'm happy with my live-in partner with my two children, 6 years old boy and 2 years old girl. I work as a domestic helper for 2 years here in the Philippines. I serve of 4 members of the family, including one couple with their 2 children. 2 years old boy and 6 months old baby boy. I do the household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, doing the laundry, and taking care of the children. I also sing a song for a baby. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamonds in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. I also play with them. So to all prospective employers, please choose me as your domestic helper, and I promise to finish my contract and I work with you as long as you need me. Thank you very much and God bless.